In this video, we're going to talk about Google, which has introduced a platform called Opal for creating applications without requiring coding knowledge. In this new Google system, the user describes the application they want to create, and the AI does the rest. We're going to analyze everything in this video, but first, comment below. Have you ever had a great idea that you couldn't pursue because you didn't know how to code? Comment now so you don't forget, because we'll talk about it later. Let's get started. What is Opal and how does it work? Google has started testing a new tool in the United States called Opal. It can create mini web applications using artificial intelligence just from simple descriptions you write in everyday language. You don't need to know how to program or write a single line of code. All you need is a clear idea, and Opal will create the application for you. This new feature is available through Google Labs and could mark the beginning of a different phase for anyone who wants to develop software in a simple, visual way, even without programming experience. Just imagine what you could create. Now you might be asking yourself, how does Opal turn your ideas into applications? Opal is an experimental tool that uses generative AI to transform your written ideas into functional web applications. All you have to do is write, for example, I want an application to organize tasks with a calendar, and Opal handles the rest. The platform automatically generates a prototype. You can visually edit it, customize it with new prompts, share it via a link with anyone, and even publish it online. The creation experience in Opal is entirely visual and very intuitive. The app shows a graphic workflow with the app's stages, such as input, processing, and output. You can click on each element, adjust it, or rewrite it with new descriptions. You can manually add steps and explore a gallery of pre-built apps to use as a base. Once you're done, you can publish the app and generate a direct link, accessible with a Google account. This system is designed for content creators, entrepreneurs, freelancers, educators, students, and tech enthusiasts who have never programmed. But there's more. What comes after publication? Google Opal is part of a growing trend of AI-powered no-code tools, also known as vibe coding tools. Some of the most well-known today include Lovable from Sweden, which focuses on AI-powered apps; Cursor, which acquired Koala to compete with GitHub Copilot; Canva and Figma, which have already integrated AI for design and interactive prototypes; Replit, which I've already featured on this channel, a platform that brings together programmers and beginners with AI-assisted tools. With Opal, Google aims to attract a non-technical audience, small businesses, creators, and anyone with a good idea. If you want to try Opal, here are some best practices to get the most out of it. Write clear and specific descriptions. Use functional terms: to-do list, daily scheduler, expense calculator. Explore existing examples before starting from scratch. Customize the app steps with small adjustments to get better results. Test the app with real users before sharing it publicly. There's no official release date for all countries yet. Google is rolling it out gradually, but the concept is very clear. The future of software creation involves AI, visual editors, and simple descriptions. No code, no complications. With Google Opal, the message is direct. If you can describe an idea, you already know how to create an application. Google's AI Studio already allows developers to create applications using text commands. However, Opal's visual workflow indicates that the big tech company wants to reach a broader audience, as observed by TechCrunch. AI programming tools have become so popular in recent months that practically all major tech companies are either using one or creating their own, the website ads. Creators of these vibe coding tools are currently in high demand, and Google is the latest to jump on this bandwagon. The company joins a long list of competitors, including Canva, Figma, and Replit, who are creating tools to encourage people without technical knowledge to prototype applications without needing to program, a TechCrunch spokesperson said. Now it's your turn. Don't forget my initial question. Comment below, have you ever had a great idea that you couldn't pursue because you didn't know how to code? This video doesn't end here. It continues with our conversation in the comments. If you found this video interesting, I invite you to become a channel member and like this video. In the upper right corner, I'll leave a video suggestion for you to continue watching with me. I'll see you in the comments and in the next video. See you soon.